Is it really possible to change the width of the shoulders? By practicing, you can only change the shoulders' width to a certain extent. Because it is not possible to make a change in the bones of the body. The ossification of the body is mainly influenced by genetics. One of the essential parts of ossification is the width of the clavicle, which affects the shoulder's width. You can only make your shoulder and arm muscles stronger by exercising. If you want wider shoulders by doing a series of exercises, your exercises should involve all shoulder parts. Only in this way will your shoulders look strong and beautiful from the front, side, and back. Here are 8 of the best shoulder exercises. Stay tuned to Pars Health TV. Number 8. Arnold Press. This move was invented by Arnold. According to him, a regular shoulder press has the most significant effect on the lateral shoulder muscles. It has little impact on the front and back muscles of the shoulder. For this reason, Arnold slightly modified the regular shoulder press to engage all 3 shoulder muscles simultaneously, resulting in a 3-dimensional shoulder. One thing that can be added about this movement is that the Arnold press, although more difficult than a regular shoulder press, is closer to the hand's daily functions and the joint's nature. This movement is one of the most important exercises to increase the strength and volume of the shoulder muscles. To begin, sit on a chair at a 90-degree angle, keep your back straight, and your feet firmly on the ground for stability. This is the beginning of the movement. Number 7. 45-degree incline row. To do this exercise, you should lie on a 45-degree gym bench. If this bench is not available to you, stand straight at an angle of 45 degrees to your body. Take a weight in each hand and let your hands hang down from the side. As you bend your elbows to raise your hands, bring your shoulders together. After lifting the weights, pause a little. 2 to 3 sets, 6 to 12 repetitions in each set. The forearms should be perpendicular to the upper body in this position. Take your hands down slowly and return the weights to their original place. Number 6. Dumbbell front raise. Exercise from the front can effectively shape the anterior part of the shoulder and chest muscles. This targets the arm and shoulder muscles. In this move, you should hold the dumbbells and stand up. With the palms facing down, gently raise one hand so it is parallel to the ground. Pause for a few seconds and gently move your hand down. When lifting dumbbells, exhale, move slowly and gently, and take a deep breath while lowering your hand. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 on our list. Number 5. Dumbbell side lateral raise. It is the most effective training movement to build the lateral deltoid muscle that is needed along with anterior deltoid muscle growth. With dumbbells in each hand, stand up with the palms facing the body. This is the starting point. Lift the dumbbells to the sides with one exhale and a slight bend in the wrist. Pause at the top, then return the weights to their original point. Number 4. Dumbbell rear lateral raise. The dorsal deltoid muscle of the back of the shoulder is the smallest and weakest triceps muscle that should not be ignored. Holding the back straight, bend at the waist to lift 2 dumbbells so that the palm of your hand is on your back. This is the starting point. With one exhale, lift the dumbbells to your side until the arms are parallel again. Pause for a moment and exhale, returning the dumbbells to the starting point. Each of the following movements is effective for the growth of the dorsal deltoid muscle of the shoulder. Number 3. Overhead shoulder press. Stand straight and hold a dumbbell or barbell with your hands. Your hands should be slightly above the chest, almost shoulder width apart, and somewhat wider than shoulder width apart. The wrists should be facing forward. Raise the dumbbells or barbell so that the elbows are fully extended. Maintain your balance and strengthen your legs and back. Lower your hands slowly to return to the starting position. 2 to 5 sets and 5 to 8 repetitions in each set. Number 2. Barbell rear delt row. Hold the dumbbell in a form with the palms facing you so that the distance is slightly more than the shoulder width. The chest should be parallel to the ground with the knees slightly bent. Lift the weight to your chest level, so it sticks to your shoulders. Then move the weights down and repeat the movement. Number 1. Face pull. Face pull movement is a great exercise to increase the strength of the dorsal deltoid muscles and the rotator cuff muscles. This shoulder movement is the most effective in building strong, complete, and efficient muscles among the many shoulder exercises. Remember that you need to lose weight over time as an athlete looking to increase strength and muscle mass. You will see the results of the exercises soon. If you work out at least 2 or 3 times a week and for at least 20 minutes each time, you will see the results of your workouts within a few weeks or, eventually, a few months. How long it takes to achieve the desired result depends on several factors, including body size, body fat percentage, and diet. Long-term and intense exercises and your level of physical fitness can be effective in this conclusion. It is better to consult your doctor before starting the activities. It is crucial to consult a doctor before starting exercises, especially in case of injury. If you are injured, do not do any exercises that will increase your pain. In this situation, it is better to work under the supervision of an expert trainer. If you have heart disease and high blood pressure, it is better to do light exercises such as yoga. Be cautious when starting a new exercise or practice. You can share your opinions with us and other audiences in the comments section. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.